How to delete TikTok messages from both sides. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to delete TikTok messages from both sides. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch TikTok app on your device. Make sure to log in and sign into your account. Now tap on the inbox icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Once you get access to this inbox page, you have to open the particular chat where you want to delete the TikTok messages from both sides. To demonstrate, let's type in a message and send a message to this user. Once you have sent a message, if you want to delete it from both sides, simply tap and hold the particular message. Now, select the delete icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Here you got the three options: delete for everyone, delete for me and cancel. So to delete it from both sides, tap delete for everyone. And the message will be deleted from both sides. So that is how we delete TikTok messages from both sides. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.